This video is just a very quick and short review about adding fractions. Let's look at a simple example. 1/2 plus 1/2. Well, if we forget when we're working with fractions that we don't just add the top numbers and add the bottom numbers, if we do that, that would give us 2/4. And if you recall from what you learned much earlier, 2/4 is equal to 1/2. Well, when has 1/2 plus 1/2 ever equaled 1/2? That wouldn't make much sense. That would be, for example, like saying that I have in this circle this half shaded and this half shaded. You can see that altogether that's one whole circle, but that's like trying to say that 1/2 plus 1/2 is only half the circle. We can see that that's not true because 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 2/2, since we only add the numerators here, and the denominator is common, so we leave it alone. And if you recall, 2/2 is equal to 1 whole. So that shows us that our idea that 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 2/4 wouldn't work. All of this is a mistake. So 1/2 plus 1/2, if we have common denominators, which we do, 1 plus 1 on the top is equal to 2. We don't add the denominators because they're common. That tells us that 2/2 is equal to 1 whole. So when you're adding fractions, remember we need a common denominator and then we only add the numerators. I hope that helps.